on the station that's on your side. This is Channel 7 News Daybreak.
Welcome back into Daybreak. Coffee can do more than just keep people awake for the day. Studies have actually shown that moderate amounts of caffeine, keyword moderate there, like what's in coffee, can actually protect your heart. Here to explain more is Baptist Health Dr. Devon Ballard with the Sherwood Family Medical Center. Thank you so much for coming in this morning on a holiday. Thank you. Let's start with this. So caffeine levels. Why could like a caffeine level help the heart? How does it help the heart in any way?
So they're doing some studies to show, they've done some studies on how caffeine can activate a certain gene that can help protect the body. So the body's in a perpetual situation of it's breaking down and building up, and breaking down and building up. So the lining of the blood vessels of the cells of the heart and throughout the body are breaking down and building each other up. So caffeine activates a certain gene, it's an endothelial mitochondrial P27 gene, that if it's activated, it shows it helps repair some of the areas of the vessels of the heart and throughout the body. And so what happens is caffeine activates this gene. And so if the gene is more activated, there's more repair going on.
Interesting. Okay. What did this study look at? How was this done?
So they use mice, but they use human cells, human culture cells in mice. Oh, wow. And so it's just a study. Okay. So, and they did, I think, a standard 4 cups of coffee, not 3 pots of coffee. or 15 Red Bulls or things of that nature.
That's your moderate right there?
Yes. It was a reasonable amount. But there's also some showings that P27 gene can affect cancer regulation. And so if that gene is activated, there's less, it kind of regulates the immune system in the cells. So if the cell regeneration is not regulated, then it just, all these cells can proliferate in the bad cells. So we all in our bodies right now have good cells, bad cells.
Sure, yeah.
And so our immune system should take care of the bad cells and
constant
keep the good
battle,
cells going.
Right?
So if this gene is not activated, there's more bad cells, more chance of cancer. In the study with the mice, with the humans, they showed that these mice have had heart attacks. And so the mice that had heart attacks that did not have this gene activated because of caffeine had worse outcomes. The mice that had heart attacks that had the gene activated survived longer and had less outcomes of death.
So what's the outlook moving forward? What do you think human trials will ensue, like real human trials?
Possibly.
Okay.
But in general, moderate amount of caffeine. If it's 1 or 2 sodas, 12-ounce sodas a day, or 2 or 3 cups, 4 cups of coffee a day, could be heart healthy, but everything needs to be done within reason.
Okay, yes, that's what we always say, right? Yes, within moderation, within reason, and that's why it's important to always make sure you talk to your doctor before you take any drastic steps with caffeine levels to try to keep you awake or keep you going or whatever it may be. Thank you so much for coming in. Really appreciate you stopping by. I know you have a big baseball game planned, big trip.
Taking the boys to El Dorado to play in the state 11-year-old tournament with Mark Lewis and Rusty Short as coaches, and we're excited about it. And hopefully playing against one of our good friends, Mickey Davis, and the Benton team in the finals. That's our goal.
Well, best of luck to you.
Coming after you, Mickey.
All right. Well, coming up next, we'll have more Daybreak. Stay tuned.